Hey everybody, welcome back to the Bull Ring, and we're checking out the stock market. Is this going to happen or is it not going to happen? We keep looking at Tesla, and Tesla keeps just going one way, and that's sideways until today. It started to go up, guys. Okay, so what's next for Tesla? So we're checking out a few things here. One, what pattern is this here? Because sometimes the stocks will repeat a pattern. So one of the things I noticed, guys, is we have a bit of a ghost candle going on here. So you can see these candles. I went ahead and traced them out. And if I take these and let me just show you real quick. If I add them to the next set, this is where Tesla might go, guys, because look at this. Okay. We do have these two candles here that mirror those two. So could this be the next move for Tesla? Well, Tesla is in a megaphone, guys. So what does that mean? That is super bearish. Okay. If you follow patterns, you know that at some point Tesla will hit here and head down. Okay. So we have a lot of folks that think Tesla's going to break out, and it certainly could, because look at this resistance here. Okay, once it gets past that line, Tesla could take off, and we will be looking at not only a 275 area, it could well make it over to about 290, 295, which is the original area, okay, that it had in the past, guys. So what's next for Tesla? I think that Tesla is going to have a small pop in the morning, guys. Okay. And here's what I see. I see the support here has been taken away. Okay. Tesla did come up and it got into support there, came down and is retesting support, and it looks like it's going to beat it. And remember, it already filled this gap here, guys. We have a nice big gap, okay, with Tesla. And let me just highlight this for you guys so you can see this area here has been filled. Okay, so what is next for Tesla? Potentially it could come fill this area here, but it does have an old resistance that we've seen from the past. So we have 1, 2, and now potentially 3 areas where it's going to hit resistance. And if it does, guys, right in there, we should be able to see a trend down from Tesla. So Tesla is a bit bullish, but I don't think it's going to last. So keep an eye on Tesla. I personally am going to wait for that breakout in the morning. Now I've already made a decision of what I'm going to do with Tesla once that happens. All right, and here's one of the cool charts I like to follow, guys, or create for you guys. Okay, so we do have Tesla on the 15-minute here, and what I do, guys, these boxes represent an entire week of Tesla trading, and the boxes in the inside represent the daily. Okay, but one thing that I've seen is, okay, Tesla does follow a pattern. And now here's what I see. Okay, Tesla came here, hit resistance, retraced back down, and started to come around. And could this potentially be a cup and handle? Okay, we could be seeing a cup and handle here, guys. If you follow patterns, you know that's a bullish sign. But it does have lots of resistance in this area, guys. Okay, but it can, like I said, fill this gap. Now, this is weekly Tesla, and I want you guys to see that inside of here, you can see the weekly price action with Tesla. Okay, now why do I do this? Because I want to see what Tesla is going to do next in every situation. So now we look at Tesla, guys, and if I wanted to really understand what's going on, I'm going to put a fib on this, guys, okay, from the top and to the bottom. And you can see it has retraced back to the 61 area, guys. So like I said, I don't think it's going to stay up there that long. I think that it found resistance here. Okay, I can't see Tesla coming all the way up here unless there's a lot of great news. And they did report news that the Cybertruck's coming out, but they don't plan to make money on that. So that's got investors worried. I think today was just a pump, and then we'll get another pump tomorrow, and then you'll see the dump coming. All right, so let's take a look at the Magnificent 7, guys. Okay, now this Magnificent 7 is here with VIX, and you guys can see that VIX is super low, guys. I mean, look at that. Back in September, okay, we had VIX. Let me fix my error there. We have VIX at the bottom, okay, bottom there, and this is on the daily bottom. Okay, but what did it do once it bottomed, guys? Okay, it made a rally up to 22. Okay, check that out. Okay, so I think that this is going to come up here. It's just a matter of time. There's a lot of people that are nervous out there. A lot of stuff going on with everyone's stock, and I want to show you guys something interesting here. Okay, so every stock that I look at on this chart, guys, okay, I see this. Okay, we're starting to want to curl, which is healthy. Okay, because we should be pulling back. I mean, you guys see we have Microsoft with all-time highs. Okay, and something special I want you guys to see here, okay, is that during the day, okay, if you guys are day trading, okay, Nvidia, okay, it is in a downtrend, started to curl on the 4-hour chart. It's already crossed, okay, MACD. We've already had the cross with the MACD and the signal line. Okay, we have Tesla curling. Okay, we have Microsoft all-time high. It wants to curl, and then we have again VIX that looks like it wants to start turning up. We do have my indicator here, CM Williams, a lot of support for VIX, meaning that it is going to start going up. Okay, but Nvidia, let me do it this way. Nvidia, Microsoft, Tesla, okay, all run together, guys, if you play the stock market. Okay, these two guys follow the action of this guy. Okay, so Nvidia starts going up on a normal day, these two will go up. If it goes down, okay, these two will go down. Now let's take a closer look at VIX, guys. So like I did say, we do have CM Williams down in here. Okay, that's when the stock has found a bottom, and then it starts going back up. You can see right in here, okay, it found a bottom, then went up. Okay, right in here again, found a bottom and went up. Okay, and then again, here we go, bottom, then it went up. Okay, so we do have the same going on right here, and then we went there. Okay, so it's been a long time since VIX has been in this area, guys. So what's next for VIX? When does this happen? Well, if we add a nice little horizontal line in here where VIX is actually at and it's bouncing, okay, that's been support in many areas for VIX, and you can see what is the traditional bounce for VIX once it gets in here, guys. So take a closer look, because this is important. When it shoots up, it's going to shoot up and people are not going to be ready for it. You can see where CM Williams has supported it on the weekly. Okay, so it found support here. Okay, and went up to about 36, guys. Found support here. Did about a 32. Okay, and once it did get support here, this was a large one. Okay, and so on and so on. You guys can see the VIX is ready to pop. Okay, we got in here in the 20 areas. Okay, and now we're starting to see support on the weekly. Will we hit at least there? Who knows? Banks are starting to talk. They're starting to say that SPX will be at 3,100 next year. Is that true? Who knows, right? All right, I just want to go over SPX for the day, guys. And if you found any value in this video, in the previous video, guys, hit subscribe, hit that like button, and then smash that little bell so you get notified next time I put up a video. But I want to show you SPX, guys, and you can still take advantage of these clouds. And you can see here SPX, when the market opened up, okay, it dropped down. And my recommendation is don't enter the trade until you have a clear cloud, but do it after 10 a.m. Okay, do not take a trade before 10 a.m. And you can see here it's a clean entry on the 5-minute level. Okay, and you have many areas where you can get out if you want. Okay, you look at this yellow candle, you look at that yellow candle, that orange candle, I should say, and more orange candles. Okay, so one of the things that I recommend, guys, if you get in correctly into the cloud, okay, as long as your candles are not touching the cloud, okay, and they're not in the cloud, you're good. Okay, now that's one entry there, guys. Here's another clean entry if you know how to short. Okay, and all you have to do is when you are using the clouds, guys, is look at these labels here. Once the price action goes above it, you know that we are flipping on that cloud, and that's another entry. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nice entries, guys. Okay, and if you want to see more of this, leave me some comments below. For the meantime, guys, I am wishing you a green day tomorrow and a green week. Take care.